I don't know about you, but I just feel that Nigerian pancakes are underrated. I loved Nigerian pancake while I was growing up. I do make it for my classmates during their birthdays. And do you know what? They do pay me for it. Yes, I was so good at it. Adding your milk into a bowl, then go on now to add in your eggs, adding a table to 2 tablespoons of sugar, adding a little bit of salt to taste, then go on now to spice up your pancake recipe a bit by adding a little bit of vanilla flavor or any flavor of choice. Mix your wet ingredients together. When they are fully mixed, go on now to add in your dry ingredients. Do you know the amazing thing? You only need one dry ingredients for your Nigerian pancake recipe. Yes, you only need your flour. Sift your flour into your batter to prevent any bit of lumps. I want to give a shout out to Gloria Okezie, watching all the way from Port Harcourt. Thank you so much for trying our Debbie's Kitchen recipe. And to Caroline, watching all the way from Cardinal. So good to have you here. I'm going to blend a scotch bonnet pepper and a little bit of onions. We are roughly blending this because we just want it to give this uniqueness. You just see the bits and pieces of pepper in your Nigerian pancake, making it look so appealing. Once you've mixed your pepper into your batter, grease your pan with vegetable oil and add between 1 to 3 table cooking spoon of your butter into your pan. If you're using a non-stick pan, please grease with butter instead. If not, your batter is gonna stick to the pan and it won't be nice. Once you notice that the butter has changed in color, flip to the other side. You can keep flipping until you get the color and the consistency you desire. So after flipping a few times, I'm going to take my pancake out of my pan and place on a platter lined with kitchen salvette paper. If this is your first time of stopping by Debbie's Kitchen, so good to have you here. Consider subscribing, the like and share. Comment if you're going to be trying out this pancake recipe this holiday. Your kids will love it. Don't worry. The ingredients and the detailed measurements will be in the description box. God bless you.